We are going to move to another kitchen design.
Called Mandarin.
Yeah, it's called Medellin. So here we are in our new kitchen design called Medellin.
Mandarin, I think it can also call my darling. Yeah.
And this kitchen design features a really unique
Yeah.
layout. It combines with a wet kitchen right here and also a dry kitchen with the dining area right there. So for the wet kitchen, for the entire kitchen, we choose the light pine wood grain, matching with the metallic gray tone.
And also the glass door. To have the highlight of this design.
Yeah. So for the we are in the wet kitchen, so let's show you some of the details in this wet kitchen.
Yeah.
So for wet kitchen, we mainly use it to fry food and to boil soup.
Yeah.
And all those kinds of cooking works. So we are having a lot of storage space right here for you to
store the dishes.
Yeah.
And have a good classification of the dishes. As you know, we have different kind of shapes and size of the dishes. So that's why we have the big dishes drawer here.
Yeah.
And also we have another drawer to store all the cooking ware, such as the pans, the pots, and also right here we have a big preparation area.
Yeah, we can wash all those vegetables, meat right here, and cut it with the cutting board right here.
Yeah.
And after that, we can make some. We can fry some delicious food with the stove.
Yeah, that's why we match with best appliances. The range hood right here.
Yeah, and for the details, I would like to introduce to you guys with this beautiful, with this smart sensor lighting strip under the cabinets.
Yeah, because when you are preparing the foods right here, you need more lighting. Yeah, for preparing the foods and cutting. And right here, we have a movable faucets, so you can
slide out to reach any corner of the sink.
Any corner.
So you can make food use of the tape to clean up the entire sink and also someplace in the countertop.
Yeah. So I would like to ask our friends. So if you have the wet kitchen, so do you like this kind of design or the fixed faucet?
So you can share your comments with us on the comment plate below, or you can share your thoughts with us by a PM.
Yeah. So if you like this design, just give us likes.
Yeah. And next, here's a dry kitchen area.
Yeah.
This dry kitchen, which is pretty functional for all those baking and all those toasting job work.
Yeah. So I think in a family, I think 5 people can use the kitchen at the same time. The grandpa and grandma is cooking right there at the wet kitchen.
Yeah, frying and boiling some soup and frying some French fries.
Yeah, and the couples, they can have the baking area right here, and the children can sit right there to enjoy the family time.
Yeah, you can make a cake or salad with your families with this dry kitchen. So as you can see, for the dry kitchen, we are use a built-in oven for which will make your baking works so much easier.
Yeah.
And also there is a base cabinets that equipped with a small countertop where you can not only storing all different kinds of dinerware and baking tools, but it's also
so you can pull it out.
Yeah, it's an extendable countertop Yeah.
Yeah.
It's an extendable countertop which you can make some beverage right here.
Yeah.
Or when you don't have enough space for making salad, you can put your boat right here.
Yeah.
And it's a better way to help you make all those cooking process much easier.
So that's my diary.
Yeah, that's Madeline. How do you like this kitchen design? You can share your comments with us. And also we are going to show you more about more beautiful, stunning kitchen designs for 2022.
Because we have 12 new designs in 2022.
We have 12 new designs for today.
Okay.